Hello students, so we take the what is second and questions cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Okay, so we take the left hand side. The left hand side is what? Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A and plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Okay, cos A. So in these steps, what we think about it? In the first step, you can observe in the what from first steps to last steps, always it comes to what? Sin cos, cos sin, or tan cot, cot tan, or secant and cosec, cosecant secant. So already sin and cos is presenting, and next you think about the what, whether it is a trigonometric identities or algebraic identities. I will give this simple hints to be easy to identify the trigonometric identity as well as algebraic identities. So how do you find out the trigonometric identities as well as algebraic identities? Just if it is any steps, whether it is a square form or whole square, whole cube, then only it is a trigonometric identities or algebraic identity. So in these steps there is no whole square and square cubes. So especially only one is in algebraic identities. A plus b into a minus b is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Except that algebraic identities and remainings, you are easy to identify that. So it is a what, whether it is a trigonometric identities or algebraic identities, we easily to identify it. Okay, in this first steps there is no trigonometric identities, algebraic identities, but it is in the form of what? Fraction form. If it is the fraction form, you are take the LCM. You are take the LCM as 1 plus sin A. So don't be confusing about the taking the LCM. What you are here the given, you can write as it is. Okay, 1 plus sin A and cos A is the LCM. 1 plus sin A into multiplied with the cos A. To obtain a 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos A can multiply with the 1 plus sin A. So you obtaining a what? 1 plus sin A into cos A. Multiplied cos A into cos A what? Cos square A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, this is the we are obtaining. Next again we think about it. We think the all the points. Which are the points are? So the in these steps cos and sin is presenting. The next one is what? Next one. So we are obtaining a what? Trigonometric identities or algebraic identities. Again, every steps you can think all the points what we are explaining here. So first steps cos square theta and 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 plus sin A cos A. So here in the denominator there is no trigonometric identities as well as algebraic identities, but in the numerator it is in the form of, so cos square A, you also use the word trigonometric identity. 1 plus sin A whole square, also you use the trigonometric identities or algebra identities. So trigonometric identity we cannot be used 1 plus sin A whole square. It is in the form of what? Whole square means what? Algebra identities. A plus b whole square form. But so we are obtaining a what? Right hand side should be what? Secant A. Secant A means what? That reciprocal form is cos. So up to end point you obtaining a what? Secant A, or in case of reciprocal of secant A is cos A, 1 by cos A. Therefore cos square A you kept as it is, 1 plus sin A whole square can be written as a plus b whole square form. Therefore we are explaining this one part only. Okay, so if you can use the cos square A is nothing but what? 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A, 1 minus sin square A. So you can apply it, so you solved it. If it cannot be comes to secant A, then you can cancel, you cannot be used cos square A in a trigonometric identity steps. Therefore cos square A, so you can leave as it is or kept as it is, or in case of you can apply it. Cos square A we are using this one, what we are steps, whether it is we are obtaining a secant or secant A or not, we don't know. So just cos square A, it is a can be written as sub trigonometric identity. Means what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1, you know that. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta we obtain. Okay, sin square theta, cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So you can use that one is also cos square theta, also you can use it as a 1 minus sin square theta. If you can applying those trigonometric identities, so must and should be answer obtaining a secant. If you cannot be obtaining a secant A, you can cancel it. Instead you can kept as it is, you can expanding 1 plus sin A whole square also. Also you can expanding both on this numerator of the both cos square A as well as 1 plus sin A whole square, both you are expand. So cos square A can be written as what? 1 minus sin square plus A plus B whole square. It is in the form of what? A plus B whole square, algebra identity. A square plus B square, A square plus B square means 2 sin A square plus 2AB plus B square. B square means what? Sin square A. Okay, so divided by what? 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A into cos A. So you can identify the like terms, sine and cosine. So sin square A, you can observing the power also. If it is sin square A, it is only sin A, it cannot be cancelled. Okay, sin square A both are like terms, so both cancelled here. 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? 2. Adding 1 plus 1 is 2, and plus what we are obtaining? 2 sin A divided by 2 sin A. 1 plus sin A into what? Cos A. So in this last steps, so 2 plus 2 sin A, so it is not containing a algebra identities, trigonometric identities. So what we are observing in the numerator is 2 is constant repeated, therefore we can easily taking the what? Common. We are taking the common, 2 as a common, so obtaining what? 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A and cos A. So both are cancelled. 2 divided by cos A. 1 by cos is nothing but trigonometric reciprocal. 1 by cos A is nothing but what? Secant A. Therefore 2 divided by cosec A can be written as 2 secant A. LHS is equal to what? RHS. Likewise, so we are solving the what? Trigonometric identities problems. So can be solving by the what? So there is a 5 steps. So you can each and every steps, it comes to what? Sin, cos, tan, cot or cosec and secant. And the next one is trigonometric identities. Each and every steps you can check the what? Trigonometric identities, algebra identity. Whether it comes to trigonometric identity, algebra identities, you can apply it. And lastly you can find observing the what? Last what we are finding. So last you are finding the what? Secant A. It comes to directly secant A, or in case of 1 by cos A, means reciprocal of secant A. It must to come to the at the end of it. Then only we are solving the what? Trigonometric problems. So if it is rationalizing, the rational root are presenting, you can rationalize it. Okay, where the steps it will comes the common, you can take the common and apply the trigonometric identities, algebra identities, and like terms you are cancelling the like terms. All the points you can keep in your mind and solve the what? Trigonometric identity problems. It is easy to, we are obtaining a 3 marks in examination. It is not a difficult questions. it is a very easiest chapters and easiest problems are asked in your examination. Just only you all these points you can keep in your mind and try it and solve the problems. If any doubts regarding about the trigonometric identities, you can ask the questions me and send the what any problems in a trigonometric identities you can send by the WhatsApp, and I will solve the problems, and again I will clearing the your doubts. Okay, thank you.